Hacks and DeFi exploits are getting our newsroom buzzing today. Welcome to the Daily Forkast, November 2nd, 2021. I'm Angie Lau, editor-in-chief of Forkast News, covering all things blockchain. Well, the bad news keeps on coming for DeFi platforms, with BXH and Cream Finance each suffering losses of around $130 million from hacking exploits in just the past few days alone. We're going to take a look at the moves being made to improve security and a whole lot more coming up. Let's get you up to speed from Asia to the world. Let's kick off with some of the top stories out of Asia today. DOT, the native cryptocurrency of Polkadot, has crossed the $50 mark for the first time, hitting an all-time high of $50.87 early Tuesday Asia time. Now, DOT's high comes with parachain auctions on Polkadot imminent, and as a motion for parachain teams to register their parachain and open their crowd loan on November 4th has gone to a public vote after being passed by the Polkadot Council. Meanwhile, Bitcoin mining difficulty has hit its highest level since its mid-May all-time high. We saw the difficulty level drop 4 consecutive times immediately after China intensified its clampdown on the mining sector back then. But according to data from BTC.com, Monday's adjustment saw an increase of 7.85%. It is the 8th increase in a row. And you can find more on those stories at forecast.news. Meanwhile, more hack attacks for DeFi protocols. It seems like they just keep coming. In a series of tweets, DeFi trading platform BXH announced that an exploit on Binance Smart Chain had resulted in the theft of around $130 million worth of assets. Now, its announcement was made just one day after Cream Finance got creamed, saying a hack had seen it lose a similar amount. Forecast News' Timmy Shen reports on the work being done to prevent these hacks.
BXH responded to the incident by saying that assets on chains other than Binance Smart Chain were safe, but that it had locked contracts on the OEC and Hacko chains to maintain security of assets. The blockchain security company PackShield has confirmed that exploit was caused by a single leaked admin key used to drain funds, and that the whereabouts of the stolen funds is being monitored. BXH is also cooperating with Binance Smart Chain on tracing the funds, and it had said that hacker will be offered a bonus if the assets are returned in recognition of it being a white hat action. It went on to say that any white hat team who helped will be offered a reward of $1 million. Nia Wang, CEO of BXH, told Forecast News that most of the affected users appeared to be in mainland China, so it immediately reported the case to China's cyber police, and the police has now entered its office to help investigate the whereabouts of the hacker.
目前看呢，就是大概的可能性黑客是在中国境内的，所以我们选择在中国的报警然后我们在参与调查的这个团队呢是中国的网络安全警察队伍所以他们也非常的有经验那现在呢已经发现一些蛛丝马迹。
Meanwhile, Cream Finance, who lost about $130 million worth of tokens in a flash loan attack just one day before the BXH exploit, says it will offer a bug bounty of 10% if the funds are returned by its hacker. In a post-mortem, Cream confirmed that it had patched the vulnerability and that it is working on repayment of lost funds, with details to be announced in the coming days. Its partner, Yearn Finance, tweeted to say that it had successfully salvaged $9.42 million of the stolen funds. For Forecast News, I'm Timmy Shan in Taipei, Taiwan.
And there goes the Squid Game token. The participants of this meme coin, based on the Netflix hit series Squid Game and completely unauthorized, met a deadly ending when its price crashed down to $0 in 5 minutes Monday night from around $2,800. Its developers cashed out at the token's highest point, stealing an estimated $3.38 million. Many investors were blinded by the global phenomenon that is Squid Game, but there were plenty of red flags that foretold a rug pull. Forecast News' Danny Park reports.
A rug pull happens when a crypto project developer abandons it after gathering investments. In other words, a scam. And that's exactly what appears to have happened with the Squid Game token. It's a full red light for Squid investors. The project's official website is down, while its white paper is gone. And Twitter has restricted access to its account due to unusual activity. But even before the rug pull, the cryptocurrency appeared sketchy. CoinMarketCap warned investors of multiple reports that users couldn't sell their tokens on PancakeSwap. And the token's 3-week-old website featured multiple spelling and grammatical mistakes, while others pointed out that the names of the developers listed there could not be found on sites like LinkedIn. Users were also restricted from replying to its announcements on the Telegram group and on Twitter after several raised suspicion of it being a sham. Meanwhile, on the Squid Game crypto Telegram group, the developers sent a seemingly dubious message that the team had to stop running the project since someone tried to hack it, claiming they are depressed and overwhelmed with stress. The event shows how a lack of research into such meme coins can prove to be a trap for innocent investors. For Forecast News, I'm Danny Park.
And that's the Daily Forecast from our vantage point right here in Asia. And unlike the Squid Game token, we promise we're going to stick around for a long time. Hit like, hit subscribe. We always appreciate our new subscribers supporting all of us here on our channel and our goal to reach even more of you. For more, visit forecast.news. As always, I'm Editor-in-Chief Angie Lau. Until the next time.